Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about installation of Git and how we can configure it. Okay, now first I will have to update the package list, then we'll install the Git. Let me open the terminal. I will update the package sudo apt update. Hit my password. Meanwhile, I will search for download Git. If you are using a different platform like Mac OS or Windows, you can choose this alternative. I will go to Linux. I will use this command for install the Git on the Ubuntu machine. So I will use sudo apt install git. Now I am having Git. You can check Git version. Also, now we will see how we can configure it. We can use this git config command. Git config global user.name this. Now you can check if you have set up this correct or not. Just use this, it will return you the actual name. Now you can also set up email. It has all I have already configured, but you can use here. You can say you can override this as well. For example, I am using here, then it will return the updated one like this. But let's use this. So in this way we have successfully configured email and name. This is how we can configure it globally, but you can use project specific. For example, you are using the project and you want to change the name, you want to change the email. Suppose I am working on one company, then I can use the company email, but related to only this project, then I can use the local here as well.